QX Classroom. I'm Amy. Today we are going to further talk about the Labuan Trading Business Activity. As mentioned in the previous video, according to the Labuan Business Activity Tax Act, or we call it as Labata, a Labuan entity carrying on a trading business activity, the tax should be charged at a rate of 3% a year on the net audited profits. In this video, we are going to further talk about the types of trading business activity and the economic substance requirements, or we call it as ESR for Labuan Business Activity. The Labuan Trading Business Activity can be categorized into two types: the regulated business activity and the non-regulated business activity. Alright, I believe some of you are wondering what is regulated business activity means. The regulated business activity means a business activity licensed by the Labuan Financial Services Authority, or we call it as LFSA, under the Labuan Financial Services and Securities Act 2010. The regulated business activity includes banking, insurance, leasing, money broking, credit token company, digital financial service, commodity trading, and etc. Nevertheless, a non-regulated types of business activity are those activity is not regulated by the Labuan Financial Services and Securities Act 2010. This includes administrative services, accounting services, legal services, payroll services, agency services, and etc. Next, we are going to talk about the economic substance requirements, or we call it as ESR, on the Labuan Trading Business Activities. According to the Labuan Business Activity Tax Regulation 2021, which has been gazetted on 22nd November 2021 and are deemed to have come into operation on 1st January 2019. A Labuan company carrying a Labuan business activity is only subjected to the tax at the rate of 3% of net profit provided that it has fulfilled the requirement of the number of full-time employees and an amount of annual operating expenditure. Every business activity has its economic substance requirements need to be complied in order to subject to the tax at a rate of 3% of net profit. Alright, here are some of the examples of trading business activity with its economic substance requirements. For a Labuan credit token company, the company is required to hire at least 2 full-time employees and with minimum 100,000 ringgit Malaysia of annual operating expenditure in Labuan. Next, for the non-regulated business activity, the company is required to hire at least 2 full-time employees and with minimum 50,000 ringgit Malaysia of annual operating expenditure in Labuan. Alright, I think today's class has come into an end. Shall I have any question or queries? Please don't hesitate and feel free to contact us. See you in the next class and bye-bye.